Hey YouTube, what's up? It's the Shushinator number 1.
And 2.
And it is the third night of Hanukkah. And tonight we got an 08 triple threads. I think this is the last of the Hanukkah gifts. And oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. Yeah, related to baseball cards at least. Yeah. Alright, Aaron, slice this up.
There you go. You get first pick. Who breaks the little ones? You do?
Can I?
Can I break one? Because you're breaking the seal.
Sure. This is troublesome.
So I have a question.
Ask your question.
Is the first pack of a triple threads, does it ever have booklets? Because it seems like it's almost always the second pack.
Alright. This is like not happening. There we go. It's kind of sliced a little bit. No, I actually have no idea.
Like
there we go. That is so cool looking. And that is so fooly. Alright, I get this one. He gets this one.
I get this one?
That is so cool looking. Alright. I want the David Wright, Ryan Howard, Albert Pujols, dual patch, pinstripe jersey card. Auto. Triple auto thing. Alright. $379.
Now this one.
Alright, let's do this thing. 6 cards per mini box.
I'll get mine after. I'll open some.
Just leave that in there. I know you're not supposed to open it like that, but like. Empty. Okay, is that really necessary?
Sorry.
Could have waited a minute. Ooh, that's thick. Alright. See how we do. Yeah. Hoping for something nasty in here. Pretty sure it's 2 from the back. Yep. Oh, interesting texture on these. George Schisler to 525, Trevor Hoffman to 99, Trespeaker to 1350, Aaron Harang, Hiroki Kuroda, and ooh, Johnny Mize, Big Cat, 14 of 27, 6-piece bat. That is really nice. Wow, that is sick. All right, number 2, you're up. You got the auto, I think.
Okay. Andrew Jones to 525. Carlton Fisk to 525. Jabba. Carlos Beltran. Johnny Mize. And Ryan Braun, Troy Tulowitzki, Hunter Pence. Roy, Rookie of the Year voting.
Very nice.
7 of 27. Pinstripe.
I guess we didn't get an auto.
That's pretty cool.
We didn't get the auto. I have to call Topps about that. Alright, that was pretty cool. Hope you guys enjoyed. Happy holidays. Peace.